Like, share and subscribe to the Learning Owl and don't forget to press the bell icon for future videos. Hello amigos, I'm Uday and you are watching The Learning Owl. In this channel, I'll be sharing with you tips regarding different skills, how to learn them and its reference sources. I will also be sharing the job updates and book summaries which will surely add values to your life. And the best part is my videos will be both in English and in Hindi so that people across the globe can understand and learn from it, and even I can increase my fluency. Now coming to today's topic, how can we practice speaking English and with whom we will practice? It is a problem faced by many of us. The main reason is that we don't have such a good environment to talk in English, and also we don't have the courage or we feel shy to talk. We should not feel shy that we can't speak English fluently or clearly because it is not our native language, but instead we should try more and more so that we can speak English more fluently. So I came up with some important and very useful app which will make your life much easier regarding this issue. Before jumping to the free apps, I want to mention two important and very useful apps which will help you to learn English very nicely. If you want to spend some money in your speaking skills, you should surely go for them. One is Cambly and other is Ingvarta. Cambly is a platform where you can do video calls with teachers across the world. It will help you to learn and understand English more clearly. Whereas Ingvarta is a audio learning platform and you can do calls to teachers and learn English. They will not only speak English with you in a very nice way but also motivate you to speak very clearly and will also clear each and every doubt. You can go for Ingvarta because I have personally used it and it is very good. Now coming to the free apps, these apps are very useful as I found difference in my speaking skills. Earlier I was very poor in speaking English but now I have improved a lot. These apps are Hello and Lingby. I will be showing you how to use them in my video itself. But please don't skip the video because there are numerous number of Hello app in the Play Store and you might not find a correct one. Let us go to the Play Store and type Hello. As I have told you earlier, there are lots of Hello apps in the Play Store, so you might get confused. So tap the app having finger icon. And now let's open it. Here you will also get different live sessions from English teacher all over the world for free. And you can also buy packages as per your requirement. Now let us check some live session and how it works. Here's Zaid teaching us about animal pronunciation. We can also see which is the best video of the week and who is the best teacher so that we can refer them afterwards. Now let's see Helly and her conversation. Now let's see how we can find the practice partners. So in the bottom portion we can see three icons. Just tap the middle one. Now click on Insta Match and the call will get connected based on your internet speed. So here's Abdul Rahman from Egypt, but I'll not take the call now. Let's do it for a couple of times. The best feature of Hello is we can do unlimited calling for free and the partners do very healthy and active conversation, which helps us really for building English speaking skills. Now let's go to the next app, that is Lingby. So it's easy to find due to its unique name. Here you can see I have done chatting with some people and here you can see the calls which I have taken. We can practice by using 4 lingos per minute for speaking with normal speakers, while we require 10 lingos per minute for speaking with native speakers. We can also check the popular hours when most people are engaged and which hour is best for conversation. Now, to earn these lingos, we can do 4 things. Firstly, you can share the app or we can do some missions which are given. Even you can buy the lingos and different lingos have different rates. And the best thing is that we can also get lingos by watching ads. But it is limited to 5 ads per day. That is 50 lingos per day. So in both this app you can talk to people all over the world, develop your English speaking skills and you can make new friends. Thanks for being with me till the end of this video. I hope I have given you some valuable content. As it is my first video, there might be many mistakes, so please feel free to suggest me so that I can improve in my future videos. For any queries and suggestion, you can mail me. You can also like my Facebook page and follow my Insta ID. And I will be very happy if you visit my website. The links for respective platforms are given in the video and description below. My next English video will be on the topic active listening. I have taken some courses and I am practicing nowadays active listening. So do you really listen actively? To know that, make sure to catch my next video. Till then, goodbye, take care and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also make sure to press the bell icon for getting notification of my upcoming videos.